Hello everybody, I want to show this video 10 cool things you could do with the Huawei Mate 20. So all these features works also with the Mate 20 Pro. But I did a different video for. Okay, let's start with the flip mode. This is a very nice feature in case you are in conversations or with your friends or in situations where you want to have your silencer so no calls should disturb you and so on. You just put your phone like this, so with the front on the desk, and the phone is on mute. So let me tell you how you can enable that feature. So just let's go to the settings, then scroll down to the point Smart Assistance. And then go to the point Motion Control, and the first one is the flip to mute, and you have to enable it. You can enable it for incoming calls and as well for timers and alarms. Always enable it here. Zack, zack, that's it. Okay, the second point is already enabled, so it is a one-handed mode because the phone is very huge and so on and so on. You cannot really see everything with some, but you can make the screen a bit smaller if you cross alongside the navigation bar. So as you can see, you have at the beginning some instructions, and now if you are left-handed, you have everything to reach with your thumb, and if you want to off it, you just go on the black field and it's off. If you are right-handed, just swipe from the left to the right on the navigation bar, and now it's also for right-handed persons. You can reach everything with your thumb, and in case you want to off it, then just tap on the black field here, as I said, and it's gone. And there's another nice feature. If you want maybe to have two WhatsApp accounts on your phone, you can clone apps. You can clone WhatsApp, or the same with Facebook. You can have two Facebook accounts on that phone. So to enable it, you just go on the settings, then you scroll down to the point Apps. Then we need this point here, App Twin. And as you can see, here we have a list with all the apps you can clone. In my case, it is Facebook and WhatsApp. If you have to enable it. And then we have now two Facebook apps and two WhatsApp apps. And yeah, for WhatsApp it's very nice because you can insert, as you know, two SIM cards, so you can have for each SIM card one WhatsApp account. Okay, in case you want to delete them again, so you just delete the second account. So the same way as you enabled it, you just go to the settings, then you go to the point Apps again on App Twin, and here you can disable the second account, go and close. Let me close both, and now they are disappeared. And there's another nice feature in case you want to make a capture of the screen. So for that, you go on the power button and the volume down button, press it for the same time, and you will have a screenshot. Okay, and there's another opportunity. You can also double knock on the screen and you will have also screenshot. And if you want to edit it, you go directly on the picture and you have the opportunity to edit or to share it directly. Okay, and you can do also a video of the screen. So for that you need the power button and the volume up button, press it for the same time. And if you do it for the very first time, you will ask you first that you allow from the access to the microphone and so on, and that you have agreed the terms and conditions, and then you will give you a small instructions. So we can go on start recording, and then you see the countdown, and now the screen is recording. To stop it, you could use also the buttons again, or you could just here on stop. So there's another nice feature to save a lot of energy, because especially at night you don't need that phone. So, and you can set up a time when the phone should go off automatically. For that you go on the settings, then you go to the point Smart Assistant, then you go to the point Scheduled Power On Off, and you have the opportunity to set up a time when the phone have to turn off, maybe at 23 o'clock or 11 p.m. No? And you could also set up how often you want this procedure to repeat it. So every Monday to Friday, every day, or you can also customize it in case you work on the weekend and so on and so on. And may let us do it from Monday to Friday, and then you can schedule also time when the phone has to turn on again in the morning. May let's take this also here at 7 in the morning, so repeat also from Monday to Friday. So it means always during the week, then you save energy, and it's for a few hours, so it is a lot, huh? So a very nice feature. Yeah, that's another nice feature, especially also for the night or for the evening before you go to bed, because some people have problems to sleep and after using their smartphones. And Huawei installed a blue light filter and they've named it iComfort. Let me show you how you can enable it. Go to the settings, then go to the point display. Then we need the point color and iComfort, and the last point iComfort. So can enable it, then you see the screen will turn into another color, and you could choose a warmer color or a colder color, and yeah, this is comfortable for your eyes before you sleep, and just try it. And you can set up also an automatic time, a scheduled time here, maybe a starting time at 10 p.m. and also you can set up an end time, and then it's going back to the normal regular screen. There's also an opportunity to do it with the shortcuts. Scroll one time, scroll a second time, and you have also the point iComfort, and you can have it whenever you want without going to the settings. Okay, and I have another nice feature to save energy. In case you have just a few percent and you know you need your smartphone urgently and so on, you can extend it much more the time until it goes off. So for that we go on the settings, then you go on the point battery, and you have the opportunity at first the power saving mode that saves a bit energy, and the ultra power saving mode that saves a lot of energy. If you turn it on, go on enable, you will see the screen turns into black, so that offers many stuffs like location service and so on and so on. So this would extend the duration until it turns off a lot. Okay, you have the basic features, no? Like dialer, messages, contacts, and you can add 3 customized apps as well. Maybe if you want to add WhatsApp, you could do it here. Or other apps like the Chrome browser and so on, so you can customize it. So or you can add it, you can change it later also if you go here on the pen. Okay, and in case you want to go back to the regular mode, you just go here on this point exit. Okay, we are show exit, and we are back at the regular screen. Okay, there's another very nice feature here on that phone. So you can enable a private mode. So it means that you can have with your phone 2 smartphones. So it sounds crazy. So let me show you what I mean. So go to the settings, then scroll down to the point security and privacy, and you feel the point private space. Okay. And here you can set up the private space. Now you can use different fingers for the accounts, maybe the thumb for one account and the other finger for the other one. Okay, otherwise you could use also passwords and so on. So go here and enable. So let me show you what I mean with another phone. With my thumb, I go in this mode. And if I go in the other mode, let me use the other finger I set it up, and I go in a completely different mode, a second smartphone and so on. All the pictures you're doing here just stay on the second desktop, so on the private space. And all the pictures you do on the main space, still on the main space. So different accounts. You can have also your own WhatsApp accounts here, and your own Facebook account and so on. Yeah, it's a very nice feature. And yeah, just try if you want to. And yeah. And let us come to the last point. So the camera can much more than just taking pictures and great videos. So you can use it also as well to translate stuff, to identify things, and also to read codes like barcodes and QR codes. Okay, for that you go just on the camera, and here on the top you have the symbol like an eye. You go on it, and now you can translate stuff with the translator. So hold your phone on the stuff you want to translate, and it will gives you automatically the stuff immediately in English, and it's auto detected. So you don't have to, also in case you don't know the language, so just hold your camera on it. It works fantastic. So you can have a shopping app here, so go on an item you want to shop. So we'll show you also to identify things like a torch or something like this, but it's still in progress. So give that point a bit time. And you have also here a QR code and barcode reader. And if I hold it like this, it will scan the barcode. And it will tell you, thank you for watching Phones and More. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope I could help you with it. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me some thumbs up. It would be very helpful for more videos. Thank you so much for. And yeah, I've created also some other videos in case you're interested in, or may just subscribe me. Would be a pleasure to see you again. And maybe until next time. Ciao.